Let's be honest. Creating a sustainable online income isn't easy these days. It's also a fact that there are so many ways to do it, but most of those ways take a ton of time to learn and get good at. It can feel like forever before you actually start earning anything. And even when you finally figure things out, scaling up to generate more income becomes even harder. You have to keep learning new stuff, spend more money, and sometimes hire people to help out with the time-consuming stuff. But what I'm about to share with you here is a complete game changer. With this amazing system, there is no marketing, no selling, no talking to people, no special skills required, and no waiting for a long time before you start making real money. Hi, my name is Ahmed Ali, and some of you may know who I am. And for those who don't, I started learning about making money online and online businesses since 2003. I struggled for years like so many people, and I wasted thousands of dollars in the process, trying so many things. And after several years, I managed to have some success and great success after that with affiliate marketing and product creation. So I am an affiliate marketer and product creator. But the system that I'm going to share with you today have nothing to do with affiliate marketing, dropshipping and e-commerce, freelancing, creating your own products, or anything else related to selling, marketing, or dealing with people. Now, don't get me wrong, all those business models are really profitable and can make you lots of money if you learn and master them. But on the other hand, they require a lot of effort and a ton of time to learn, implement, and start making real income from. But that is not the case with what I'm about to share with you here. Introducing Tradify binary system. Tradify binary system is your ticket to profit from the financial market trading binary options without any prior experience. Now, for those people who already know what binary options is and maybe they have bad experience trying to trade, please stay tuned till the end of this video because what I'm going to share with you here is going to be a game changer for you as well. Now, for those who don't know what binary options is a form of trading financial assets where you have two options to pick from, either up or down. And every time you select the right option, you make profit, and that profit can go up to 92% of your trade investment value. Now, here's how the chart will look like as an example. So at this point, if you want to start a trade, you're going to pick either up or down based on the strategy that you are following. So if you decided that this position is going to be up, so you up in an up position by clicking on the up button here, and you set up the time for the trade as 1 minute, because you can also change the time of the trade. That means how long time this trade will take and close automatically after. So here in this example is going to be 1 minute. So if you up in a trade here in the up position and it end up to move in the same direction that you selected, you're going to win up to 92%. And obviously if it goes in the other direction after 1 minute, you can lose your investment for that trade. And the same thing if you up in a down position based on your expectation and on your strategy, and it ends up to go to the correct direction, it's going to close and you're going to win to 92% of that trade. And if it goes in the opposite direction, then you're going to lose, of course. Now, personally, I'm not an expert in this field of trading, but I partnered up with experts in binary trading to share this system with you. Okay, you may ask, but how Tradify binary system is going to help me to generate real income from trading binary options? Because as we said, you may win and you may lose. So how this system is going to help you to make profit? Here's the answer. Tradify binary system will give you access to copy the exact trades we recommend following our simple trading strategy. In other words, they called also trading signals. You can copy up to 100 trading signals per day. However, you won't need to copy all of them, of course. And the great thing is, you can decide whatever time in the day you want to start your own trading sessions. You have complete control to choose the most convenient trading sessions based on your own schedule. That means you have full control on your time and you can set up or start your trading session at any time you want. So what you will get inside if you decided to take action and get the Tradify binary system today. First of all, you'll get a detailed video training to teach you all the basics you need to know about binary options. Then you'll get another detailed video training to teach you about our binary trading strategy. And then you will get access to our Telegram VIP channel where you will get up to 100 trading binary signals per day. And then also you will learn how to use the compound interest to scale up and leverage your daily profits to 10 or even 100 times more. And this part is going to be really interesting because even if you started with a minimum investment, you have the option to scale it up over time to generate big daily profits over time. And you don't want to miss that part. So by understanding the basics, learn our simple trading strategy, and apply this strategy following our trading signals, you will have everything you need to generate up to 1 to 3% per day from your initial investment. Now here's some of our results testing the same system, and those results are coming from $400 deposit. As you can see here, in the first day of testing, the profit was $11.10, and that is 2.78% in one day. Of course, there are going to be some losses here, but the total earnings were $39.10 and the total loss was $28. So in total, we have $11.10 in profit. The second day, we generated $15.06 in profit. That is 3.77% in one day. In the third day, the total profit was $13.28. That is 3.32% in one day. So as you can see here, this system really works. And inside, you're going to learn exactly how to set up your daily target percentage profit based in your own situation. Once you get inside, you'll get access to all the information you need to be able to make real profits following our Tradify binary system strategy and trading signals. So how to get access to Tradify binary system? Actually, you can get instant access and test the system for 3 days for only $1. Yes, you heard that right. You can pay only $1 right now and get full instant access to the system and test the system for 3 days. And after that, it's going to be a monthly subscription of only $27 per month to continue using the service. And in case you don't want to continue using the service, you can cancel at any time. Now let's recap. By getting access to the Tradify binary system today, you'll get access to a detailed video training to teach you all the basics you need to know about binary options. Then you'll get another detailed video training to teach you our binary trading strategy. And after that, you will get access to our Telegram VIP channel where you will get 200 trading signals per day. And also you will learn how to use the compound interest to scale up and leverage your earnings to 10 or even 100 times more over time. So even if you're starting with the minimum investment value, you still can build that to big money over time. So in order to get instant access for full 3 days for only $1, then only $27 per month after that, you just need to click on any one of the buy buttons you see on this page, make that one-time payment of $1 to get full instant access, and I cannot wait to see you inside.